Hi fellow viewers to everybody. Good afternoon. My name is Steve Hoong. I'm the owner of this video account in this respective website, youtube.com. Okay, by the way, as you can observe now in my past few videos about OLA victims, first is I was the one who is the author of Piso para sa OLA victims. Tulungan niyo po lahat ang OLA victims. At yung isa pa, yung tulungan niyo po kami, bawat OLA victims. Okay, this time, this is about myself na po. So the title is, Tulungan niyo po ako dahil ako po ay isang OLA victim. Yes, isa din ako sa of all more than 10 million victims all over Philippines. And once you listen to this video, this will catch up attention to all the victims. By the way, if this reached to Ma'am Kikay, I think Kikay Bautista, Johnny Tor, Johnny, yung taga Valenzuela, Yana Insta Review, Team Marcos, at ang mga anti-OLA advocates at yung mga OLA loan reviewers, Ate Red Vlog, Ate Red, ang dami, marami dito sa Philippines. Kaya hindi ko na kayo ma-memorize dahil sa dami ninyo. Okay. By the way, this video is very significant to me because I know this is not an easy to say, no? Kung bakit ako nagkakaganito, I know it sounds crazy, no? Sa overall total ng aking online lending app na na-applyan, napakapait. Actually, tinotal ko lahat kasama penalties and charges. Iba pa yung interest. Lagpas pa ng 1.1 million pesos sa year 2025. Ibig sabihin, hindi pa kasama yung purely principal lang. So, yun po. I'll tell you what happened kung bakit ako nagkakaganito. Actually, ang totoo po ho yan is about I apply to avail gadgets, laptop sa Home Credit. Because I was thinking kung i-avail ko siya, wala. Kasi kung sa bank pa ako maglo-loan, it will take how many days? Syempre, pag illegal online lending apps, instant, kaagad-agad. But unfortunately, I did not expect na it will take 7 days to pay, 14 days to pay, 10 days to pay. So, hindi ko napansin na ang interest pala is 40%. Ganang kataas. May iba pa nga 48.5, may iba pa 35%, more than 6%. So, yun. So, this is a lesson I learned. Hindi na po ako uutang sa illegal online lending apps. Kasi, grabe ang tubo. Grabe, halos pwede makakos mental health, nakakasira sa mental health, anxiety, or baka nag-suicide na ako. Wala na akong live video. So, yan po. By the way, sa gustong tumulong sa akin by myself, ako mismo, pwede kayo mag-donate through bank, Asia United Bank or AUB. Meron din akong GCash or Paymaya. I'll put it in the description in this video. Then I will explain the details. Okay. By the way, saan nyo ako mahahanap sa FB Messenger? Okay. I-type Steve Rooster Ong. Ilalagay ko dyan sa description. I'll tell you what happened to me. Bakit ako umabot ng more than 20 online lending apps sa 2025. By the way, hindi lang ako. Ang dami. Oh, by the way, reminder to all viewers. Hindi po ako nagbebeg sa inyo, mga viewers. No. My main point is that to help. Because gusto ko na makamove on. I know this is not an easy. It will take time. to do this kind of situation. I know it sounds crazy itong video, pero that's the only choice I've got. Ang relatives ko meron naman na help, although hindi pa sapat. It will take talagang papuntang bankruptcy ang labas. Yung bang basta baon sa utang, kailangan bayaran, di ba? May kasabihan, ang utang is utang. Yes. Pero itong case ko iba. Napaka-complicated. Then my father is diabetic, then na-amputate. Ito lang March 21, 2025, this year lang. Then my mother is cancer pa sa breast, pero surgery lang, hindi naman chemotherapy, last 2017. So grabe talaga pinagdaanan ko. It's a very hard fight para sa akin. By the way, as I've said, hindi po ako nagbe-begging. Ang akin is to move on. I know it's very hard to start from the scratch, mga fellow viewers. By the way, this video is to address to all fellow OLA victims. Yan po. Kasi itong message na itong video na ito may meaning. Don't you worry, itong FB Messenger ko, ilalagay ko sa description, GCash or Paymaya. I'll explain the details doon mismo sa FB Messenger. Okay, so that would be... Ay, by the way, pwede nyo i-share itong video na ito as a fellow OLA victims all over Philippines. Thank you so much.